How to fix Redmi Note 13 Bluetooth cutting. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. Now swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on apps. And then click on manage apps and search here Bluetooth. Now click on storage. Now first of all clear your Bluetooth storage. After clear your Bluetooth storage, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.